Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tejaswini Kumar. So in this video I am going to teach you how to score 30 plus marks in financial management. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. So first I am going to teach you 2 marks problem. The question is as follows: if sales are rupees 8 lakh, contribution is rupees 6 lakh, calculate variable cost. Like this, they will give the question for 2 marks. The formula to calculate the variable cost is sales minus contribution. They have given sales 8 lakh, contribution is 6 lakh. You need to minus it. 8 lakh minus 6 lakh. You will get 2 lakh. This is variable cost, therefore you have got 2 marks. Now I have taken 4 marks problem. The question is: a firm has sales of rupees 20 lakh and variable cost of rupees 14 lakh and fixed cost rupees 4 lakh and 10% debentures rupees 10 lakh. Calculate all types of leverages. The solution is calculation of leverages, particulars and rupees. You have to write first sales. Sales is rupees 20 lakh. You need to deduct variable cost. Minus variable cost 14 lakh. You will get contribution. 20 lakh minus 14 lakh. 6 lakh is the contribution minus fixed cost. 6 lakh minus 4 lakh. You will get 2 lakh. This is EBIT, earnings before interest and tax, minus interest on debentures. They have given 10% debentures of rupees 10 lakh. For 10 lakh you need to take 10%. 10 lakh into 10%, you will get 1 lakh. EBIT is 2 lakh. 2 lakh minus 1 lakh, you will get 1 lakh. This is EBT, earnings before interest. You have got EBT. Now let's put into this formula and calculate all types of leverages. Operating leverage is equals to contribution divided by EBIT. Contribution you have got 6 lakh. EBIT is 2 lakh. 6 lakh divided by 2 lakh. You will get 3 times. This is operating leverage. Next, financial leverage is equals to EBIT divided by EBT. EBIT you have got 2 lakh. EBT 1 lakh. 2 lakh divided by 1 lakh, you will get 2 times. Combined leverage is equals to operating leverage into financial leverage. Operating leverage is 3. Financial leverage is 2. 3 into 2, you will get 6 times. This is calculation of types of leverages. Now you have got 6 marks. The next 4 marks problem is calculation of payback period. Let's read the question. Calculate payback period of the following projects, each requiring cash investment outlay of rupees 1 lakh. Suggest which product is accepted if the standard payback period is 5 years. They have given here project A, project B, cash flows. Now let's do the solution. Calculation of payback period. Project A and project B. You need to write year, 5 years. Cash inflow of project A is 30,000, 30,000, 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. It is same for all 5 years. You need to write the cash flow of project B: 30,000, 40,000, 20,000, 10,000 and 50,000. Cumulative cash inflow is very simple. First you need to write the same cash flow of first year, 30,000. Next, for that you need to add next year cash inflow, 30,000 plus, 30,000 plus 30,000, you will get 60,000. This is the cumulative cash inflow of second year. Next, for this year, you need to add third year cash inflow, that is 30,000. You will get 90,000 plus 30,000. You will get 1,20,000 plus 30,000. You will get 1,50,000. This is cumulative cash inflow. Now let's calculate cumulative cash inflow of project B. 30,000 first year as it is you will write. Next you will add 30,000 plus 40,000. You will get 70,000. Then next year cash inflow 70,000 plus 20,000. You will get 90,000 plus 10,000. You will get 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 50,000. You will get 1,50,000. This is the calculation of cumulative cash inflow. Now you need to check the investment. They have given 1 lakh. 1 lakh is near in third year. Third year you have 90,000. 1 lakh minus 90,000, you will get 10,000. 3 plus 10,000 divided by fourth year cash inflow, that is 30,000. You need to take next year cash inflow 90,000. Next year is 30,000. 30,000 you need to divide 3 plus 10,000 divided by 30,000. You will get 0.3 plus 3.3 years. Okay. Then next, for project B, they have directly given 1 lakh in the fourth year. Therefore project B takes 4 years. In this company going to choose project A for financial planning because it gives returns with less years. Now you know to calculate payback period method. This comes for 8 marks. Therefore you got 8 plus 6. You have got 14 marks. Now let's see how to calculate PV net present value. For the calculation of net present value, you have to write year, 5 years you need to take, cash inflow of machine A and cash inflow of machine B. You need to take PV factor. They will be given in the question. PV factor 0.971, 0.842, 0.772, 0.708 and 0.650. For PVA, you need to multiply cash inflow into PV factor. Cash inflow is 30,000. Therefore, 30,000 into PV factor is 0.971. 971. You will get 29,130. This is PV of first year of machine A. Then for second year, 40,000 into 0.842. You will get 33,680. Then for third year, 50,000 into 0.772. You will get 50,000 into 0.772. You will get 38,600. Then for fourth year, 30,000 into 0.708. You will get 21,240. For fifth year, cash inflow is 20,000 into PV factor 0.650. You will get 13,000. Now you need to add all these PVs. 29,130 plus 33,680 plus 38,600 plus 21,240 plus 13,000. You will get 1,35,650. This is total PV of machine A. Now let's calculate for machine B. You have to write the cash flows of machine B: 10,000, 30,000, 40,000, 60,000, and 40,000. The same PV factor for both machines you have to write. Then same as it is, you need to multiply cash inflow and PV factor to get present value. 10,000 into 0.971, you will get 9,710. This is PV factor of first year. Then next second year is 30,000 into 0.842. This is the PV of second year, 25,260. Then third year cash inflow is 40,000 into 0.772. You will get 30,880. This is a third year PV factor. Then fourth year 60,000 into 0.708. You will get 42,480. This is the PV factor of fourth year. Then next 40,000 into 0.650. You will get 26,000. This is the PV factor of fifth year. Now you need to add all this to get total PV. 9,710 plus 25,260 plus 30,880 plus 42,480 plus 26,000. You will get 1,34,330. This is total PV of machine B. They have given in the question that initial investment of machine A and B is rupees 1 lakh. You need to deduct this amount from total PV. Total PV of machine A is 1,35,650 minus 1 lakh. You will get 35,650. This is the net present value of machine A. Then you need to calculate the same for machine B. The total PV of machine B is 1,34,330 minus 1 lakh. You will get 34,330. This is the net present value of machine B. You need to see which machine gives more NPV. Under this, the company may choose machine A. It gives more net present value, that is 35,650. This is the calculation of net present value. Therefore now you have got 22 marks. Now let's calculate another 12 marks question, calculation of EBIT and EPS analysis. Let's read the question. Rahul Limited has 30 lakhs equity share capital of rupees 10 each. The company wants to raise another 15 lakh. These are different financial plan with tax rate 50%, all debentures carrying 10% interest, all equity, 10 lakh rupees in equity share capital and rupees 5 lakh in debentures carrying 10% interest. Fourth plan is 5 lakh in equity share capital and 10 lakh in preference shares, 10% dividend. Calculate EPS and EBIT if EBIT is rupees 6,75,000. Now let's solve this problem. They have given that in the question that EBIT is rupees 6,75,000. They have given 4 plans, therefore you will put 4 columns and put EBIT 6,75,000 in all the 4 columns minus interest on debentures. They have given all debentures carrying 10% interest. You have 15 lakh. For that you need to take 10%. 15 lakh into 10%, you will get 1,50,000. This is the interest on debentures of plan A. In plan B they have given all equity, therefore no debentures. In plan 3 there is 5 lakh in debentures carrying 10% interest. For 5 lakh you need to take 10%. 5 lakh into 10%. you will get 50,000. In the fourth plan there is no debentures, therefore nil. You need to minus it. EBIT minus interest on debentures, you will get EBT. 6,75,000 minus 1,50,000, you will get 5,25,000. 6,75,000 minus 0, you will get 6,75,000 only. 6,75,000 minus 50,000, you will get 6,25,000. 6,75,000 minus 0, 6,75,000 only. Next, minus tax. They have given in the question that tax rate is 50%. Therefore, you need to take 5,25,000 into 50%. 5,25,000 into 50 percentage, you will get 2,62,500. Then for plan B, 6,75,000 into 50%, you will get 3,37,500. Then for plan 3, 6,25,000 into 50 divided by 100, you will get 3,12,500. 6,75,000 into 50 divided by 100, you will get 3,37,500. Now you need to deduct it to get EAT. EBT minus tax, you will get EAT, that is earnings after tax. You may write same of tax column, otherwise you can also minus it. 5,25,000 minus 2,62,500, you will get 2,62,500 only. They have given 50%, no, therefore it comes same only for all the plans. EAT minus preference dividend, you will get profit for equity shareholders. In the first plan there is no preference dividend, therefore nil. In plan 2 there is no preference dividend, therefore nil. In plan 3 also there is no preference shares, therefore nil. In the fourth column there is preference dividend. 5 lakh in equity share capital and 10 lakh preference shares, 10% dividend they have given. Therefore you need to take 10 lakh into 10%, you will get 1 lakh. Now you need to minus it. 3,37,500 minus 1 lakh, you will get 2,37,500 for plan 4. Remaining all three plans remains same as it is EAT. Now let's calculate EPS. For the calculation of EPS, the formula is EPS is equals to profit divided by number of equity shares. You know, or you have already calculated profit. Now you need to know number of equity shares. They have given in the question that 30 lakh equity share capital of rupees 10 each. Equity shares is equals to equity share capital divided by face value. Share capital is 30 lakh. Face value they have given 10. Therefore, 30 lakh divided by 10. 30 lakh divided by 10. You will get 3 lakh. This is the first equity shares, number of equity shares. In the first plan there is no equity share capital, therefore you will directly take 3 lakh. The profit is 2,62,500. You need to divide it. 2,62,500 divided by 3 lakh. You will get 0.875. This is EPS of plan A. For plan B they have given all equity. Then you have already has 3 lakh equity shares. In the third plan you have 10 lakh equity share capital. You need to convert into equity shares. Face value you have already know, that is 10. 10 lakh divided by 10, you will get 1 lakh. In the fourth plan you have 5 lakh equity share capital. 5 lakh divided by 10, 5 lakh divided by 10, you will get 50,000. In the third plan you have got plus 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 50,000, you will get 1,50,000, plus you have already has 3 lakh. You need to add, you will get 4,50,000. This is the number of equity shares of plan 2. 3,37,500 divided by 4,50,000, you will get 0.75. This is the EPS of plan B. Then for plan C, they have given that 10 lakh in equity share capital. You have already as 3 lakh equity shares plus 10 lakh into 10%, you will get 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 4 lakh, 1 lakh plus 3 lakh, you will get 4 lakh. Therefore 3 lakh 12,500 divided by 4 lakh, you will get 0.78. In the fourth plan, you have 50,000 equity shares. That is 5 lakh divided by 10%, you will get 50,000. Plus 3 lakh, you has already have 3 lakh plus 50,000, you will get 3 lakh 50,000. 2 lakh 37,500 divided by 3 lakh 50,000, you will get 0.67. This is the EPS of plan 4. Now you need to check which has more value. That is plan A, 0.87. In this, company going to choose plan 1 for financing because it gives more earnings to equity, that is rupees 0.87, compared to plan 2, plan 3 and plan 4. That's it guys. This is the calculation of EPS and EBIT analysis. This is a 12 marks problem. They may also give A and B. That is, if EBIT is rupees, double it. They may give 6,75,000 into 2. 6,75,000 into 2. 13,50,000. That is, they may change the EBIT value and they may tell you to calculate 2 times. This question is for 12 marks. You can easily score 30 plus marks in the financial management. Thank you for watching my video guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.